Hi guys, if you are trying to pair an RCA universal remote with your Vizio TV but nothing is working, in this guide you are going to get the correct codes and the precise scan method that actually works. So on most of the RCA remotes, you just have to simply press the TV button first, and then you just have to simply press the code search button until the LED stays solid. This order matters because doing it wrong skips the valid codes. After doing so, for Vizio TV, you can try any of these codes first. So for the 4-digit RCA codes, you can try 11758, and we have 10864. You can try 10885. You can try 10178. For the backup codes for the old sets, you can try 0178 and 1756. The newer Vizio Smartcast models respond best to the 11758 or 10178. After typing a code, do not press power immediately. You need to first of all press enter, and this locks the code, and then press power. So this avoids the false positive where the remote briefly reacts but doesn't work. So if the codes fail, you can press the channel up slowly and one press at a time. You can pause for a second between the presses, and Vizio TVs sometimes respond with a slight flicker or the volume change before turning off. So you need to watch that carefully. Once paired, you can test the input or the source button and the menu navigations. The Vizio TVs often need correct input control for full usability. So this is going to give you the most reliable setup with the RCA remotes. So you can try this and let me know if that works. Thank you.